Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Crash.
Go get it.
Crash.
Oh, she turned it
Oh,
around.
good job.
There you go.
Whoa. Hi, Tony. See the horn? Oh, wow.
She loves it. Look at her face.
I know. Wow.
You gotta say thank you to Uncle Steven.
Well, that was perfect. So
Say
you write
thank you,
to him?
Uncle Steven.
I did. I did.
Oh, you did? What did you say? Huh?
I thanked him.
Did you tell him she loves it?
She just opened it, Mom, 5 seconds ago.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't drive.
Keep going. Now
Hit the
push
button.
buttons.
Hit the button. There you go.
Oh, she wants it to go straight.
Oh.
Hit the other button.
The other button on the other side.
On the other side?
On the
Yeah.
other side of the remote. Come here, let mommy do.
Mommy show you. Watch.